True love bears all, endures all, and triumphs. Love is pure and true. Love knows no gender. True love is not a strong, fiery, impetuous passion. It is, on the contrary, an element, calm and deep. It looks beyond mere externals and is attracted by qualities alone. It is wise and discriminating, and its devotion is real and abiding. A good friend is like a four-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. You have gotta dance like there's nobody watching. Love like you will never be hurt. Sing like there's nobody listening, and live like it's heaven on earth. There is never a time or place for true love. It happens accidentally, in a heartbeat, in a single flashing, throbbing moment. You know it's love when all you want is for what person to be happy, even if you are not part of their happiness. When someone else happiness is your happiness, that is love. Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out, only love can do that. The way happiness works is that it creates the condition for love to flourish, and you cannot have one without the others. They are two sides of a coin. Happiness is the nectar, love is the bee. I find the best way to love someone is not to change them, but instead help them reveal the greatest version of themselves. Folks are usually about as happy as they make their minds up to be. Happiness is holding someone in your arms and knowing you hold the whole world. The greatest happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved for ourselves, or rather loved in spite of ourselves. The more the heart is nourished with happiness, the more it is unstable. The heart that gives thanks is a happy one, for we cannot feel thankful and unhappy at the same time. Happiness is a perfume you cannot pour on the other without getting some on yourself. Love means to see the one you love happy. Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. Love recognizes no barriers. It jumps hurdles, leaps fences, penetrates walls to arrive at its destination full of hope